We didn't happen overnight. It took time to get it right. Slow and steady, that's our pace. Building love at our own space. No rush and no forcing, just organic coursing of feelings that grew deep, of promises we keep. No rush, no pressure, just letting love measure itself naturally, growing gradually, like a garden in the spring, like a bird learning to sing. We took our time, we made it rhyme. It's a slow burn, this love of ours growing stronger by the hours. Slow burn, taking its time, building something so sublime. We didn't rush into the flame, yeah. We let it grow and became, yeah. A slow burn, a steady fire burning higher and higher. Others came and went so fast, their love was never built to last. They burned so bright, then burned out. They were full of fear and doubt, but we took it day by day, letting love find its own way. Through the valleys, through the peaks, through the silences and speaks. We learn to be patient, we learn to be adjacent, without needing to consume, without needing to assume that love is always easy, that love is always breezy. We learn it takes work, we learn it's no quirk. It's a slow burn, this love of ours growing stronger by the hours. A slow burn, taking its time, building something so sublime. We didn't rush into the flame, yeah. We let it grow and became, yeah. A slow burn, a steady fire burning higher and higher. And now it's stronger than before, because we let it be a slow core of heat that never dies, burning in each other's eyes. We built it brick by brick, we made it thick by thick, foundation strong, lasting long. Slow burn, burning bright forever through the night. Slow burn, never dies, burning in us. Building music and gentle fade. City lights beneath my feet, moving through the crowded streets. Everybody's got somewhere to be, but all I'm thinking about is you and me. Neon signs reflecting puddles from the rain. Every face is just a blur of pain, 'cause none of them are you, none of them are you, none of them will do. The skyscrapers touch the sky, and I'm wondering why you're not here by my side in this concrete jungle ride. I'm surrounded by a million souls, but I feel completely alone in the city of dreams. Nothing is as it seems underneath the city lights. I'm searching for you tonight, through the neon and the noise, trying to find my peace and joy. City lights, they shine so bright, but nothing shines like you in my life. In this maze of steel and glass, I'm hoping that will last. Taxi cabs and subway trains, walking through the pouring rain. Every face I see is yours, behind every closing door. I catch a glimpse, I turn around, but you're nowhere to be found. Just my imagination playing tricks, just my heart playing pics. The city never sleeps, it never rests, it just keeps pushing, pulling, taking, breaking, constantly awaking. The emptiness inside, the loneliness I hide, behind a smile, behind a style, behind this urban guile. Underneath the city lights, I'm searching for you tonight. Through the neon and the noise, trying to find my peace and joy. City lights, they shine so bright, but nothing shines like you in my life. In this maze of steel and glass, I'm hoping that will last. The city's full of million souls, but without you I'm alone. In the crowd but by myself, putting my heart on the shelf. Waiting for the day when you come back to stay. In the city of light, making everything right. City lights, take me home to wherever you are, wherever you roam. City lights, guide me through, back to you.
Searched my whole life for you, didn't know what I was supposed to do, but then you walked into my world, and my whole life unfurled. Like a flower in the sun, like a race finally won. Everything made sense, everything felt immense. Like two pieces of a puzzle we fit without a struggle. Like two notes in a chord, like two beats in a chord. We were meant to be together through any kind of weather. That's how I knew, that's how I knew you're my soulmate. The other half of me, the one I was always meant to be with. Through every lifetime and space, you're my soulmate, my saving grace. The one who knows me best, the one who gives me rest. We finish each other's sentences, share the same preferences. It's like we've known each other before in some past life, I'm sure. We have the same weird humor, the same peculiar aroma of tastes and likes and dislikes on all the same bikes. Some people search forever for that special tether that binds two souls. There's one that makes the race be run, but I found you so easily. You came to me so freely, like the universe conspired, like my heart had been fired. You're my soulmate, the half of me, the one I was always meant to be with. Through every lifetime and space, you're my soulmate, saving grace. The one who knows me best, one who gives me
yeah, yeah. I've been practicing this moment, but now you're here, and I forget everything. I've been practicing this moment in my head 1,000 times, rehearsing every word, every gesture, every line. But now you're standing right before me, looking like a dream, and I forget everything I'd planned, or so it seems. But then I look into your eyes, those eyes I've known so long, and I realize the perfect words come when I'm not trying to be strong, when I just speak from my heart, let my feelings guide the way. That's when I know exactly what I need to say. So here I am down on one knee, asking you to marry me. I don't have much, but what I have is a love that's gonna last. Will you take my hand and be my wife? Start our future, change my life. Every moment led to this, every laugh and every tear, every late night conversation, every hope and every fear, built a road that brought me here, to this very spot, where I ask the question that means everything I've got. I remember our first date, how nervous I had been. I remember thinking, this is where my life begins. And I was right, because from then my world made sense. You're the answer to a prayer I've been praying ever since. So here I am down on one knee, asking you to marry me. I don't have much, but what I have is a love that's gonna last. Will you take my hand and be my wife? Start our future, change my life. And if you say yes, and I hope that you do, I promise to spend forever loving you, through every high, through every low. I'll be right there. I want you to know, yes. You said yes, deep breath. I'm the luckiest man alive. I promise to love you forever and ever. They kiss.
I found your sweater in the back of my closet today. Pulled it close and swore I could still smell you in the fray of fibers that remember how you used to hold me tight when the world got cold and you were my only light. I know you're gone, I know we couldn't make it work, but some things you can't help, some things just lurk in the corners of your heart when memories like make to hide. Your sweater's got me feeling like you're still right by my side. Your sweater keeps me warm on these lonely nights, when the absence of you is sharper than any lies. Your sweater holds me closer than you ever could right now, and I don't know how to let it go. Don't know, no, yeah. The sleeves ain't past my fingers, just the way you like to see. You'd always say I look cute in everything you leave behind when you go home. A piece of you stayed here. Now that piece is all I've got, the only thing that's clear. I know I should wash it, erase the sin in you, but losing that would mean that we are finding through, and I'm not ready yet to face the empty space. So I'll wear your sweater and pretend I feel your embrace. Your sweater keeps me warm on these lonely nights, when the absence of you is sharper than any lies. Your sweater holds me closer than you ever could right now, and I don't know how to let it go. Don't know how. They say that time is everything eventually, but your sweater's got me stuck in our history. Maybe one day I'll fold it and put it away, but today is not the day. Today I need to stay in the memory of you, in the fabric of us. Your sweater, that's all I got left.
One minute I'm up, next minute I'm down. Emotions spinning me all around. I don't know what I feel today. Everything just comes and goes away. I'm happy, then I'm sad. I'm good, then I'm bad. I'm loving, then I'm leaving. I'm laughing, then I'm grieving. Maybe it's the weather, maybe it's the pressure, maybe it's just me, maybe it's my chemistry. Out of balance, out of sync, standing on the brink of losing my mind, of leaving my peace behind. Mood swings, they take me high, then leave me here to cry. Mood swings, they take control of my body and my soul. I'm just trying to ride the wave and find a way to behave, but it's hard when you don't know which way your feelings will go. I love you, then I push you away. I don't know what to say to make you understand that I need you to hold my hand. Through the ups and the downs, through the smiles and the frowns, I need you to stay. Even when I push you away, it's not you, it's me, it's my own complexity. It's the chemicals in my brain driving me insane. It's the highs that feel so great and the lows that make me hate everything I am, everything I am. Those swings, they take me high, they leave me here to cry. Mood swings, they take control of my body and my soul. I'm just trying to ride the wave and find a way to behave, but it's hard when you don't know which way your feelings will go. Through the highs and the lows, only you truly knows the real me underneath the mood swings and the grief. The person who loves you true, the person who's asking still fighting, still loving, still here. Just ride with me, just skate with me. I'm still me underneath. Yeah, I deleted all your pictures today. Put your stuff in a box away. It took everything I had inside, but I couldn't let it slide. I changed my password, changed my code. I lightened up my heavy load. Removed you from my everyday in a quiet, painful way. Moving on is hard to do, even when I know I'm through. Even when I know it's right, it's a difficult life. My heart keeps pulling me back, my mind keeps on the attack, but I'm taking it day by day, finding my own way. I'm moving on, step by step, even though my heart's upset. I'm moving on, day by day, even though I wanna stay, but I know I gotta go, even if it's slow. I know I gotta leave, even if I grieve. I'm moving on, I'm moving on. I still think about you sometimes. When a song comes on that was of my mind, but I don't cry like I used to. I guess that means I'm getting through. I don't reach for the phone at night, I don't check if you're online. I'm slowly letting you go, even though it hurts to know. Some days harder than the rest, some days I still fail the test. Some days I wanna call and say I miss you more than